Marigold flowers grown from seeds. This one the seeds here, the dry flowers you can see here. This one is the seed, and you can see my new plants. This one is my old plants, and you can see the flowers here. When they are all dry, you can use this one for the new seeds. See, this one is very dry now here, and you can see the seeds here, and these are the new plants coming up. You can see the flower, dry flower I just plucked from the plant, and these are all the black ones, all they are the seeds. And this one another flower, you can use all these one for the seeds. In my garden the marigold flowers never finish. I just put the dry flowers again in the ground, and they start growing, and you can see how many seeds we have. These flowers are the red ones, and I have also the variety of yellow ones, and I will show you how we can uh, plant these ones. And this is my pot. I prepared the soil, just potting mix and soil, any soil. They don't need much energy. You can see the seeds here. I just sprinkle the seeds and then little bit cover up. Yes, that's it. You can see this one, little bit cover up, and just put little bit water and leave it for some days, and they slow start growing. These are the plants grown from seeds I planted last month, and you can see the small ones here coming up, and I will put some more seeds here, and like you can throw like that. See the seeds here, just throw like that and leave like that, little bit cover up, and this will start growing. So easy to grow marigold flowers.